Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce 6 Mawson Close, located at the prestigious Lakes Estate. Attractive and well-maintained, this spacious single-level double garage home provides easy care gardens with the benefit of side access. A well-thought-through design provides multiple options. Generous proportions make this independent media room very versatile. Bay windows create a gentle bond between the gardens and the lovely big master bedroom that is also segregated from the additional living quarters, enhancing an already private retreat. Highly functional, with fluid connections between the formal and informal living areas, the kitchen acts as the control centre for everyday living. These generous living areas offer direct access out to a private covered patio, making entertaining a pleasure. The estate is a friendly community, catering for all ages and a lifestyle where you can engage with the beautiful landscape grounds all year round, with a series of lakes being the focal point. Take a relaxing walk, feed the ducks, let the little ones play in the park, or play a game of tennis or basketball. Experience the benefits of no through traffic, making it a wonderfully peaceful and private estate that's right on the doorstep of the Central Business District, the region's premier medical facility, wonderful local beaches with Bishop Druitt College, the region's premier private school, a safe and short walking distance away. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour